Welcome to our channel. 10 easy ways to fix debit repeater problems. Check power connection. First, make sure the repeater is properly plugged into the power socket and the power indicator light is on. If the light is off, check the socket or power cable. Restart the device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the issue. Turn off the repeater, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on and check if the connection is working. Inspect all cables, carefully check all connected wires, especially Ethernet cables, to ensure they are properly plugged in and not damaged or loose. Factory reset the repeater. If the device has setup or signal issues, press and hold the reset button with a pin for 10 seconds. This will return the repeater to its factory settings. Cool down if overheated. If the repeater feels too hot, unplug it and place it in a cool, open area for a while. Overheating can cause the device to slow down or freeze. Check for firmware update. Log into the repeater's settings page, usually via IP address in a browser, and see if any firmware updates are available. Updating can fix bugs. Improve signal strength. Place the repeater in a location where the main router's signal is strong. Avoid placing it too far or behind walls, which weakens the signal. Change wireless channel. If nearby Wi-Fi networks are causing interference, go to the repeater's Wi-Fi settings and try changing the channel manually. Ensure correct Wi-Fi name, SSID. Sometimes, the repeater's SSID, Wi-Fi name, is the same as the router's. Make sure you're connected to the correct repeater network. Test with another device. If the signal is visible but your device isn't connecting, try connecting the repeater with another phone or laptop. The issue may be in your device. Thank you for watching.